Now that we've got our line string elevated, we can now create the utility line. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Utility tab and we're going to click on the Create Utility Line. Now we could create a utility network and then create the run. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Create Utility Line. However, what I want to do is I want to take this line and we're going to go to Properties. I'm going to rename it. So right now it says Utility Water 8-inch PVC. So let's go ahead and rename that to Water Main. Actually, we'll go Ridgebury. So let's go, we'll call it Ridgebury Water Main. Right? We could call it line B to go along with the other ones, but we know this is Ridgebury Road. So we're going to name that line Ridgebury Water Main. Because what will happen is when we create this utility line, I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to create a new utility network. So we're going to call this Water Service. Oops. It's going to be a type of pressurized, and we're going to put it on the default layer. We'll put it on the water layer. I'm going to click OK. So that created the utility network. Now we're going to create the run. So we're going to select that line. Layer is fine. Circular type is fine. We're going to use an 8-inch DIP or ductile iron pipe. And for a fitting, we're going to use this water valve that we have in our Material Site Improvement Manager. It's an 8-inch valve. I'm going to go ahead and click Apply, and you'll see that it creates a new pipe run. You can see the pipes. Now you'll notice on the end, if I come back over to my view filter and I turn on my layers here, you'll see that now I've got a water valve. Okay. So that's created the pipe network. All right. Now what it didn't do was it didn't put in any connectors or any other fittings, but we do have a pipe network or a pipe run, and we actually have the 3D pipes. Now a couple things I'll show you is to we'll do some inspection of this and we'll turn on some other features. So I think I'll go ahead and show you that next in the following video. But if we take a look just over here, you can see that we do have that water main. There's our pipe. If we go to the properties of that, we can see the information that's in here. Okay. So let's take a deeper look, and then we'll add in some additional fittings.